Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change app screen grid in your Android phone. Today, I will show you two methods that you can use to change app screen grid in your Android phone. Now, for the first method, just touch and hold on the home screen. And here at the bottom, you can see settings option, then just go to settings. And here you can see app screen grid, then just tap here. Now from here you can change your app screen grid. At the bottom you can see four options: 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. And you can set any option as you want. If you want to set 4x6, just select it, then tap on done and it's done. Now you can see your app screen grid has been changed successfully. Now for the second method, just go to app screen, then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option. And from here you can see app screen grid, then just tap here and that's it. You can also change your app screen grid from here. Then tap on done and it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change app screen grid in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.